Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2006 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6208. This ran from 11th 2005 to 11th 2012. It has a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Spare wheel cover. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.